In this session, we shall take a look at the Oracle Cloud Learning and shall also be talking about the Administrator Work Area. Topics to be covered will be Learning Overview, Roles Required, Administrator Work Area, Setup, Administrator Dashboard, Learning Catalog and Catalog Resources, and Learners. Oracle Learning Cloud is an enterprise learning management system that makes learning available to the employees at any time and any place. Learning manages how learners want to learn, how managers want to manage their team's learning, and how administrators want to deploy and track compliance and development-based learning. If you want to access the Learning Administrator Work Area, you need to have the Learning Specialist role. If you want to navigate to Learning Manager Work Area, you need to have the Line Manager role. And if you want to access the Learner's Work Area, you need to have the Employee role. The Learning Specialist role enables a user to manage catalog learning items, self-paced online offering content, training resources, assignments, initiatives, and setup in the Administrator Work Area. The Learner Manager Abstract role contains necessary privileges enabling users in the Oracle Learning Cloud to assign learning and track progress of the learning for the people they manage. The Learner Manager Abstract role contains necessary privileges enabling users in the Oracle Learning Cloud to assign learning and track progress of that learning for the people they manage. The Employee Abstract role contains all necessary privileges enabling users to consume and contribute learning in the Oracle Learning Cloud. And now, we shall navigate into the instance to have a look at the Administrator Work Area. Administrator Home shows various learning dashboards that represents the learning data of the organization. Data is displayed in charts and graphical format for easy understanding and analysis purpose. Learning Compliance Dashboard displays the compliance data of the organization as per the learning item selected. Admin can select the required learning item from the list and can view the details accordingly. Admin can also view the data as per business unit and can also send email to the managers having overdue direct. Learning Improvement Dashboards shows average time to complete any learning item along with the percentages completed for the learning item. It also shows the top rated and abandoned trainings. The Learning Catalog contains different learning objects that we can use to create learning for the users. Learning Catalog manages offerings, courses, specializations, communities, and self-service items. A course is a learning item that contains the generic information that describes what the learners are going to learn. An offering contains the details of how, when, and where the course requirements are delivered or offered. Specialization is a collection of various courses with a specific objective. For example, to be specialized in a certain area, you have to complete certain courses associated with that. A community is a grouping of different A community is a grouping of different learning items according to a particular topic or area of interest. We can add people to the community having similar interests. Self-service items are the content items available in the system to be utilized in various other learning items. Administrators can manage the learners from the Learning tab. Learning assignments are various course items which are assigned to the learners as voluntary, required, or recommended learning. Admin can also perform mass actions like sending emails, changing assignment status for a group of learners for the search results. Learning initiatives can also be created for the larger audience or the organization level. Admin can search the learners or can assign any learning item to them. Catalog resources are the content items associated with the learning. Catalog resources are created so that they can be used while creating the learning items. It includes creating learning content, adding instructor details to the system, creating classrooms and training suppliers. You can also search the existing training content and can update or delete from this screen. Setup includes managing the setups and alerts for the learning module. Admin can access this section to customize the learning module as per the organization needs. For example, here you can enable or disable the evaluations, self-service discussions, configure external providers, and manage alerts. In summary, we have had a look at the overview of the learning module and talked about the key features and setup options available for the admin.